In this video, we will show you how to get cheap car insurance in Ontario. If you guys want to get started with Ontario, you can use the links down in the description. You can use comparison websites like ratehub.ca or rates.ca to get quotes from multiple insurers. This can help you find the best deal available. If you have other types of insurance like home or life insurance, consider building them with the same provider. Many insurers offer discounts for multiple policies. You can opt for a higher deductible and lower your monthly premium. Just make sure you can afford the deductible in case of an accident. Your safe driving can lead to lower rates over time. The key is avoiding accidents and traffic violations. You can install cars equipped with anti-theft devices, airbags, and other safety features that often qualify for discounts. If you drive less, you might be eligible for a low mileage discount. Some insurers offer usage-based insurance programs that track your driving habits and adjust your premium accordingly. You have to look for discounts for things like being a good student, completing a driver's education course, or being a member of certain professional organizations. Make sure you're not paying for coverage you don't need. For example, you might not need comprehensive or collision coverage if you have an older car. So that's how to get cheap car insurance from Ontario. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Ontario. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.